Good evening, students. Merry Christmas to all of you. Today we are going to celebrate Christmas online. So all the students will come one by one and will give the presentation on Christmas Eve. Our first participant is Samantha Varghese.
Now the ground is wide, going while you are young. Take the good night, sing the sleighing song. Get the bobtail beat, 244 is speed, and hitch into an open sleigh, and you will take the lead. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. One-horse open sleigh, one-horse open sleigh, one-horse open sleigh.
Our next participant is John Alex.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh.
Thank you, Alex. Now it's the turn of our most amazing student from Jammu, Jeetu Sharma. Jeetu Sharma.
Yes, madam.
आज मैं भी जिंगल पे गाऊं। जिंगल बेल बजादा चिट्टी दाढ़ी वाला बाबा कर नचादा। जिंगल बेल बजादा चिट्टी दाढ़ी वाला बाबा कर नचादा। जिंगल बेल बजादा चिट्टी दाढ़ी वाला बाबा कर नचादा। के पाया उन चोले च ते के पाया उन बोझे च, के पाया उन टोपे च ते के पाया उन मोजे च, के पाया उन चोले च ते के पाया उन बोझे च, के पाया उन टोपे च ते के पाया उन मोजे च। जिंगल बेल बजादा चिट्टी दाढ़ी वाला बाबा कर नचादा। Thank you.
Thank you, Jeetu. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Sorry, Christmas.